Hi, welcome to a new data science project, Monitoring Financial Flows with Tkinter. We'll be using Tkinter to create the GUI and SQLite for the database. The app generates random money for transactions and everything is stored locally in the database. Here is the login page. Users will need a correct password to access their account. You can also create a new account if needed. This is the account registration page. Users enter their details like name, birth date, and password. They'll also need a pre-made bank account for the app. After registering, users log in by entering their username and password. Once logged in, they'll be taken to the home page. Here's the profile page. Users can view their personal details and edit them, such as email, phone number, or profile picture. On the balance page, users enter their UPI key to see their account balance. It shows the balance as 2000 and displays recent transactions. Here's the usage graph, which shows how the balance changes with each transaction. You can clear the graph if needed. Users can transfer money by entering an account number and amount. Once the transaction is complete, the balance is updated. Users can also send money directly by selecting a friend from their list. No account number needed. This is a simpler way to make transfers. Users can view a list of recent transactions, including details like the recipient and amount. To send money, users can search for their friends by name or phone number. They can pay directly from this search page. We use CRUD operations to manage user data in the SQLite database. Users can create, read, update, and delete their data easily. If a user forgets their password, they can reset it by receiving an OTP to their registered email address. The system will then allow them to log in. The app has a simple structure: login, registration, transactions, and profile management. These work together to create a smooth user experience. We'll be using Python's Tkinter for the front end and SQLite for the database. The app will use simple widgets for the interface and store data in SQLite. To get started, we'll need to install some libraries: Matplotlib for graphs, Pillow for image handling, and Calendar for date management. The layout includes a static header with a logo and menu on every page except for the login page. The content changes based on the menu option selected. We'll start by creating basic Tkinter widgets like buttons and labels. We'll also set up SQLite to handle the database connections and manage user data. Thank you for watching.